Here's a brief overview of 5 U.S. presidents who are often regarded as among the best in American history, along with their significant achievements. George Washington, 1789–1797. 1. Brief overview. Washington was the first president of the United States and played a pivotal role in shaping the early republic. 2. Significant achievements. Establishing the presidency. Washington set important precedents for the office, including the tradition of a peaceful transfer of power and the role of the president as the head of state. Founding father, he was instrumental in the drafting and ratification of the U.S. Constitution. Neutrality Proclamation, issued in 1793, it kept the United States out of the conflict between Britain and France, preserving American independence. Abraham Lincoln, 1861–1865. 1. Brief overview. Lincoln led the United States during its Civil War and is renowned for his leadership during this tumultuous period. 2. Significant achievements. Emancipation Proclamation. Issued in 1863, it declared all slaves in Confederate territory to be forever free, changing the nature of the Civil War. Preservation of the Union. Lincoln's leadership ensured that the United States remained a single nation, despite the secessionist efforts of the Southern states. Gettysburg Address. His famous speech in 1863 articulated the principles of equality and democracy that the nation was fighting to uphold. Franklin D. Roosevelt, 1933–1945. 1. Brief overview. FDR served through the Great Depression and World War II, implementing sweeping reforms and policies that reshaped the American government and economy. 2. Significant achievements. New Deal. Roosevelt's programs aimed at providing relief, recovery, and reform during the Great Depression included Social Security, the Works Progress Administration, WPA, and the Civilian Conservation Corps, CCC. Leadership. During W2, he led the United States through most of W2, implementing policies that supported the Allies and ultimately led to victory. For freedom speech. In 1941, Roosevelt articulated his vision for a world founded upon 4 essential human freedoms: freedom of speech, freedom of worship, freedom from want, and freedom from fear. Thomas Jefferson, 1801–1809. 1. Brief overview. Jefferson was the principal author of the Declaration of Independence and the 3rd President of the United States. 2. Significant achievements. Louisiana Purchase. In 1803, Jefferson negotiated the purchase of the Louisiana Territory from France, doubling the size of the United States. Founding of the University of Virginia. Jefferson founded the University of Virginia in 1819, pioneering a new model of higher education in the United States. Embargo Act of 1807. While controversial, Jefferson's embargo was an attempt to protect American interests by avoiding entanglement in European conflicts. Theodore Roosevelt, 1901–1909. 1. Brief overview. Roosevelt, often remembered for his robust personality and progressive policies, was the 26th President of the United States. 2. Significant achievements. Progressive reforms. Roosevelt implemented a series of reforms aimed at tackling the excesses of the Gilded Age, including trust-busting and consumer protection laws. Conservation efforts. He significantly expanded the national park system, preserving over 230 million acres of public land. Diplomacy and foreign policy. Roosevelt mediated the end of the Russo-Japanese War, earning the Nobel Peace Prize in 1906 for his efforts. These presidents are considered among the best due to their transformative leadership, ability to navigate critical moments in history, and enduring impact on American society and governance.